Alright guys, so I wanted to go over exactly what y'all will be getting with my 6-week shred, or really any of my programs for that matter. Basically, you're going to get this file in an email from me. Let's see. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead, we got it open right here. Okay, first off, when you open it up, you're gonna click watch this video first. What it is, it's just a little intro to the program. I'm gonna go ahead and talk about the program, and I'm gonna cover stuff like how to read your programming. You want to
set to be almost impossible. Okay, so you should really be struggling on these exercises. Okay.
It's going to be covering stuff like minimum water intake, how to read your sets and reps, stuff like that you need to know to be able to do your program effectively. And then right here, this is just kind of like educational info, like this is how to prevent, your common injuries and stuff like that.
You can use bands to help with your strength.
So it's just really helpful information, that everybody should know. And then right here, these are warm-ups and stuff like that you need to be doing daily, and it's got one, for when you're training lower body and when you're training upper body. And then, of course, your water guidelines right there. And then right here, again, I do like my clients to be on supplements that optimize gut health, and then here I explain why. So for everything that I have you doing, I pretty much have an explanation for it, And then if you scroll down, you'll see that there are video demos for literally everything. So right here we got barbell stiff leg deadlifts.
Alright, so you're going to bend your knees just slightly, butt goes back. Right here, that bar, you're going to roll it up 2 shins, head up, pull straight up.
Explaining everything. Alright, and then also, I cover exercise techniques that are pretty hard to find on the internet, like this pre-exhaust, for example. So really, pretty much everything's done for you in this program. All you have to do is follow it, and if anything's confusing, you just have to watch a video and learn how to do it. And worst case scenario, if there's something that you don't know, you can always shoot me a text or email. You'll have both methods of contact info. Alright, and that's pretty much it, guys. So enjoy and crush it.